want you to turn to the front plane, 4 petal, same time, counterclockwise, anti-spin, 4 petal flower. Out, up, out, down. Out, up, out, down. Out, up, out, down. Out, out. You're trying to cross so that the arm, instead of crossing like this, it crosses across your body as much as possible, and it stays tight to your body, and you're coming around cleanly like this. So if I were to mirror you front facing, if you start at the bottom, then you go out to the side, you're twisting through here to get to the side, then you go up, you're back to neutral, then you twist to the other side to get to here, and then you're down at the bottom. So let's do 10 in this direction. So 1, and out, up, out, down, out, up, out, down, 3, up, 3, down, 4, up, out, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, don't bend, 9, don't speed up, 10, stop at the bottom, your left hand, my right hand, underhand. Okay, so we'll go out, up, and then we're gonna cross to the other side, and you reach to the side, not to the front, good, and then come down. So that's where the placement is the out position, the up position, the crossing position, and then the down position. And then if you were to look at the hardest position, it's going from here across the top to there in 1 rotation of the poi and down. So start on the out on your left, and it's going to be horizontal. Then I want you to go up and over 2 positions to the other side, and then down and over, and up and over, and 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 then come down. Over here, we're gonna go out to the side. This is the crossing side for your right hand, my left. Then we go up, and then we go to the other out position on the home side. And then if you're struggling to hold that one, you want to remember to rotate your wrist more and push down and out, down and out. It's natural for the plane to do this and go like this, but you really want it on the front plane. Yes, down and out. And then you're coming down to the bottom. So you cross, you go up, you go out, and then you go down. And now let's cross, and we'll go 2 positions at a time. So up and over, down and over, 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 up and over, and down. Now, as you come over to that side, the point at which you start moving the poi is when the poi is on the back side of the turn here, going from the 12 o'clock to the 9 o'clock as you look at it. At that point, you move your hand across your body, and you still want to be flicking down and outward to the side to control the plane. So it's down and out to get it flat over there, then down and across. Now Up and over and down and out. So it's down and out to keep it straight on that side. So we'll hold each position. Down. Now we're gonna go out to your left side, my right, because I'm mirroring. And with this one, with your left hand, you want to scoop more at the bottom of the turn, and with your right hand, you want to push it down over the top more. Then you're going to go to the up position, which is kind of hard to hold as well. And make sure you use good wrist rotation and some elbow pumping to keep it there. And then you're going to push it out to the right side. Now you'll notice if you look at me from the side, what happens is when I go from this side, my right hand is in the front of my body. As I go up and then over, then my left poi is in the front of my body. So it switches. The away hand is the one that's in the front, which is always true when you're crossing the arm. So you're here, and then come back down, and then to the side. Now let's do 2 positions. Don't reach for it. Stand flat, no reaching. And then up and over. So I want you to twist in your waist, but not reach with your feet. Yes. And then down and over. And hit the bottom of the turn at the same time. Boom. And up and over. And down and over. 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 And up, over, down. So out, up, out, down. 5, 6, 7, 8. 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 Out, up, out, down. 5, 6, 7, 8.